I was 4 days in and I failed. I missed just one task, and the next day I crumbled. I skipped my workouts, ate whatever, didn't drink enough water, and just unraveled for the next several days, laying in bed and just gaining weight over and over again. Until I finally stopped lying to myself and said enough is enough. Sure, I failed, but I'm not finished. The past couple of days has shown me that I can do it. I just need to make a couple of sacrifices, like deleting my go-to food apps and actually going into the grocery store and picking healthy options instead of just ordering out all the time. And I am ready to embark on this new challenge again. Will you join me again?